Tired of chasing reversals that fizzle out? Here's a smart mean reversion strategy that uses correlation plus pin bars to catch clean, high-probability flips. This setup uses the Spearman correlation indicator plus pin bar price action. The Spearman correlation measures how closely price moves with a simple moving average, SMA, oscillating between -1 and +1. When both correlation lines enter extreme zones, above +0.7 signals overbought, below -0.7 signals oversold. The indicator also draws potential reversal zones on the chart, a red line up top or a lime line down below, that act like magnets for pullbacks. How to trade it? Buy when correlation is below -0.7 oversold. The lime reversal line is marked. Price touches that line, an up arrow appears, and the candlestick is a bullish pin bar. Sell when correlation is above +0.7, overbought. The red reversal line is drawn, price reaches it, a down arrow forms, and the candle is a bearish pin bar. Stop loss. Place it beyond the pin bar, below for buys, above for sells. Also set it just beyond the colored reversal line. Exit. Close the trade when a candle touches the opposite colored line, i.e., if you bought, close when it touches the red. If you sold, close when it hits the lime. Only take trades when the longer-term trend is on your side. Even though it's a mean reversion strategy, aligning with higher time frame trend helps avoid false pin bar reversals. And always size your stop so you don't risk too much. Never ignore that pin bar stop. This strategy gives you statistical correlation plus price action confirmation. Powerful combo. If you want to test it, go to forexmt4indicators.com, download the Spearman correlation indicator and pin bar template for free, and try it out on demo first.